The KETELES KF9 is a powerful folding fat tire e-bike designed for riders who demand endurance, versatility, and raw strength in every ride. Built for all-terrain adventures, from city streets to mountain trails, snowy paths, or sandy beaches, this bike combines next-generation technology with rugged engineering to deliver an uncompromising riding experience. At the heart of the KF9 is its 48V35, a high-capacity lithium battery, built using advanced technology to ensure durability and consistent power delivery. Engineered for longevity, it can withstand over 1,000 charge cycles, maintaining 90% capacity after 8 months of continuous use and at least 80% after 18 months. This ensures you can rely on the KF9 for long-distance rides without worrying about frequent recharging, making it perfect for both daily commuting and extended off-road trips. Power is delivered by dual 1000W motors, peaking at 1200W each, with 75 Nm of torque and an IP54 water resistance rating. Together, they provide explosive acceleration, effortless climbing ability, and a top performance that thrives on challenging terrain. Whether you're riding up steep inclines, navigating forest trails, or powering through snow and sand, the KF9 adapts with confidence. Its intelligent pedal assist system allows you to fine-tune power delivery based on your preferences or road conditions, giving you total control over your riding experience. For handling and comfort, the KF9 is equipped with a lockable front fork suspension system. This lets you switch between a locked mode for efficient riding on smooth roads and an open suspension mode to absorb shocks and vibrations on rougher terrain. By reducing impact and improving steering response, it enhances stability, maneuverability, and overall comfort. Safety is paramount, and the hydraulic disc brakes ensure responsive and reliable stopping power in any condition. Featuring an integrated power-off sensor system, these brakes instantly cut motor output when engaged, giving you maximum control and security during sudden stops or technical descents. With their precise modulation and strong braking force, you can ride confidently across unpredictable terrain. Rugged 20x 4.0-inch fat tires provide exceptional traction and stability, making the KF9 suitable for virtually any environment: urban commutes, mountain trails, beaches, or snowy roads. Combined with its folding aluminum frame, the KF9 is both strong and portable, offering easy storage and transportation without compromising durability. The KETELES KF9 electric bike is more than just a mode of transportation. It's an all-terrain powerhouse designed for riders who want freedom without limits. With its massive dual-motor system, long-range battery, intelligent controls, and robust build, it stands as a versatile companion for both adventure seekers and everyday commuters who refuse to settle for less.